Welcome to this channel, guys. Today I'll show you some facts and mysteries about black holes. So stay tuned to the end of the video and enjoy. According to NASA, black hole is a place where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The idea of a body so massive that even light couldn't escape was briefly proposed by John Michael in a letter published in November 1784. Objects whose gravitational fields are too strong for light to escape were first considered in 18th century by John Michael and Pierre Samuel Lovelace. The first modern solution of a general relativity that would characterize a black hole was found by Carl Schwarzschild in 1916, although its definition as a region of space from which nothing can escape was first published by David Finkelstein in 1958. As for NASA, matters are squeezed into a tiny region. Yeah, that means black holes are very small in size, with a heavy mass. But I found in NASA's website that black holes can be big or small. You can see that. A black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pulls all of the light into the middle of the black hole. So, how did the scientists come to know that black holes exist? Scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. Black holes do not go around in space hitting stars, moons and planets. Obviously, Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system. The sun becomes a black hole when it dies. Black holes will suck up all the matters in the universe like a giant vacuum cleaner. Entering a black hole takes you through the wormhole to another place in time. Supermassive black holes form when massive star dies. Black holes do not suck. Black holes will spaghettify you and everything else. Black holes can spawn new universes. Black holes are the ultimate energy factories. There's a supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy. But Stephen Hawking said that if you're stuck inside a black hole, there's a way out. And also, he said that black holes are the passage to other universes. And also, Neil deGrasse Tyson said that he realized if you fall into a black hole, you'll see the entire future of universes unfold in front of you in a matter of moments, and you'll emerge into another space-time. A white hole is a hypothetical feature of the universe. It is considered as the opposite of a black hole. As black holes don't let anything escape from their surface, white holes are eruption of matter and energy, and nothing can get inside them. Then white holes must repel the matters from inside, so if Stephen Hawking's words are true, then there should be some holes that are both black and white. Then the black part will pull and the white part will throw outside. That may be fun, but when you get inside a black hole, it will stretch you like a slime, and you're no longer alive. A black hole comes from the death of a very big star that must be at least 10 times bigger than our Sun. The fusion of hydrogen to helium creates energy which throws the outer cores of the star outside, but the gravitational force balances the energy and the star remains stable. When a star is very old, it starts fusing elements from hydrogen to iron. Then it becomes very difficult for the gravity to balance with it. The iron gets built up in the core and radiates the energy outward. That energy is much more greater than the gravitational force of the star, but the fusion gets continued. Then the energy overwhelms the gravity, resulting into the explosion of the star. At the time, the black holes are formed, but don't worry, our sun can do that. It cannot fuse the elements after neon. And as our sun is not gonna explode, cheer up, we are safe. As you approach a black hole, its gravitational pull gets stronger, That's true of anything with gravity, including the Earth and the Sun. Before long, you pass a point called event horizon. Every black hole has one that's true whether the black hole has the mass of a single star or as much as the collective mass of millions. An event horizon surrounds each black hole like an imaginary sphere. It acts like a boundary of no return. What happens next is not pretty, but if you go in feet first, you might be able to watch. Since your feet are closer to the black hole center, its gravity pulls stronger on your lower body than on your upper body. Then you will see your feet being drawn away from the rest of your body. As a result, your body gets stretched like chewing gum. Astronomers refer to this as spaghettification. Eventually, your whole body gets stretched into one long human noodle. Then things really start to get interesting. For instance, at the center of a black hole, everything collapses to a single point. And when you have arrived there, you are on your own. Scientists have no idea what to expect once you get there. So those were the things I've got about black holes. If you want to know more, then simply Google it.